Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is about the IBM. I bought another one, the XT. So now I have the 5150 and 5160. And I bought the IBM Model F keyboard. Really nice clicky keyboard. It's definitely better than the other one. The weird, messed up Chicone keyboard of yesteryear. It's Chicone Electrics. This is the old keyboard I had to use with this thing. It's not bad. Back, it's not like the other one though. There's some buckling strings. And it works and everything. I cleaned it up. The little brushes and everything. And another difference is this IBM works. If I can grab a game here. With this one. They're on floppy disks, obviously. So yeah, it works. Yep, that's it. Yeah, the clicky keyboard. And I know this monitor isn't the real monitor, so I'm gonna buy it once I sell this motherboard and CPU here for like $120. I'm gonna buy the real monitor, the 5153, and also the poor IBM. If you didn't notice, the floppy disk. Here it is. This is the motherboard for the IBM, the one that started everything. Still doesn't work. The RAM's shot. And something with the floppy controller is not doing its thing. And I have both of those in the closet. Here's the cards for it. And the cable, floppy cable, floppy controller, video cards here. An interesting side note, when I have this IBM, it's got a Hercules graphics card in it, which is pretty cool. 256K of onboard RAM, and I do have this ASG Combo Plus card, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna buy another RAM card to add to 640K, and the hard drive doesn't work yet. The seller I bought it from, he says he's gonna send me another one, hopefully. So, yep, that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.